What's up guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how you can assemble your PC from A to started. I'm gonna use the gigabyte GAH110MS2 motherboard to show you the tutorial. First of all, we have to remove this one from the motherboard. This one, you can gently press it like this and take it off. After that, we'll work on it. As you see, this is called the processor chamber of the motherboard. We are assembling our PC with a graphics card of MSI, 2 RAM, 8GB, 8GB, 16GB, hard disk and SSD card. We came with a Valutop 1000 watt power supply and a Thumble PC casing. For the PC building, we basically need the most important thing is the processor. As you can see, we are using Intel Core i5. The processor pins are very sensitive, so don't mess it up. Power supply I'm using is the Valutop 1000 watt and it's the 2022 model. We get here many line. Just make one thing clear in your mind is the power supply gives the 4 connection basically. One is the 12 pin socket, which is the main connection of the motherboard. After that we came some motherboard has the 4 pin socket, some motherboard have 8 pin socket. It doesn't mean how many socket your motherboard have. If your power supply give you a 4 output, then you have to put it into the 4, and if your motherboard give you the 8 output, you have to put the 4 into this, and the remaining 4 you can keep it here, or you can also cut the wire instead if you want to cut it off. So let's get started. At first we have to put the processor on. The processor have to set up like this. Gently put it up. After that, it comes about your RAM. The SSD is ready to set it, so let's fix out the motherboard.
আসো আসো দাদা আসো, কালকে যাবে নাকি আর সবার স্কুল দিকে? এইটা ফ্লেক্সিবল এর মধ্যে ভালো আছে।
এক সময় 5 টাকা করে তার পাওয়া যেত।
5 টাকা? এটা 10 টাকা কিলো পাওয়া যেত।
ওটা আমরা পাইনি। ইন্টেল ছিল বিছানা ভিজে নি আরে তোমার আমি তো কাজ করছি যে আমি পানি হইতে পারে ও হেক্সিজল হইতে পারে হেক্সিজল ফ্রেশ জীবাণুমুক্ত হয়ে গেছে
Kemudian kita taruh orang mau, hasil kue lah saya, kue lah. Buat tadi, kalau dah